Are repetitive tasks stealing your time as a project manager? What if I told you there's a way to automate your work and focus on what truly matters? Today, I'll show you the ultimate AI tools that will transform your productivity, and maybe even your career. Let's face it, managing projects isn't just about strategy, it's about dealing with endless emails, follow-ups, scheduling, and tracking. These tasks might seem small, but they quickly add up, leaving you overwhelmed and frustrated. Hi, I'm Logu, and in this video I'll introduce you to the top AI tools every project manager needs to know. These tools can automate scheduling, task tracking, reporting, and even your emails. Let's dive right in. Trello is already a great project management tool, but with AI integrations, it's even better. Use it to predict task delays and automate reminders. Zapier connects your apps and automates workflows. For example, you can automatically log emails into your project management software or update spreadsheets in real time. Notion AI can summarize meeting notes, create action points, and even draft project reports in seconds. Use ChatGPT to draft professional emails, brainstorm project ideas, or even create a risk management plan in minutes. Microsoft Power Automate is perfect for creating workflows across tools like Teams, Outlook, and Excel. Imagine automatically scheduling meetings based on your team's availability. Ensure flawless communication by using Grammarly to check emails, reports, and proposals. Automate time tracking and generate weekly reports effortlessly with Clockify. Jira's AI can auto-assign tickets based on workload and send reminders for overdue tasks. Track productivity and get automated focus alerts to keep your team on track. Create SEO-optimized project presentations or reports with ease. Here's how you can combine these tools in real life. Imagine you have a weekly status meeting. Notion AI drafts your agenda, Power Automate schedules the meeting, and ChatGPT crafts your email invite. Afterward, Clockify generates a report of time spent on tasks, and Grammarly ensures your follow-up is flawless. These AI tools can save you hours every week and make you a more efficient project manager. So, why not give them a try? Comment below with your favorite AI tool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips.